come back. And I want to do something today. I want to teach you 4 things. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to make 4 fun foods for you to play with, because we're going to start doing some art, and we're going to do some food, and we're going to do all kinds of fun stuff. So join me today and see what you think, and let me know if you like it. So what I want you to do is I want you to just get some food together. I've got red strawberries and blue blueberries. Oop, there's an icky one. Throw that out. I got some orange mangoes and a white banana. And we're going to do really simple things. For example, what if you wanted a funny looking animal that didn't have very much stuff? There you've got a goofy smile. And then if you want to, you can put some food around the edges. Whoops, lost his eyeball. You can put some other food around and give him hair, or she can have curly hair, or you can put some speckles in it, but make a face out of food. Okay. Another really fun thing to do is to make bugs on a log. And they're not really bugs, but it's a really good way to get some really good nutrition. You start with a banana, and all you have to do is put some peanut butter in. So think of the peanut butter as some goop, and think of the banana as a log. And then these are cherries, but you can use raisins, you can use nuts, but you just make bugs on a log. There you go. And I love bugs, so I'm going to put a lot. Doesn't that look good? And it's got lots of vitamins and lots of flavor. What do you think? Okay. I'm going to eat my bugs on a log. So, really good. Okay? Don't not look at me. Have a bite. I have one last tip that I want to give you today. We're supposed to drink a lot of water, and some people drink a lot of pop and stuff that's not very good for you. So I'm going to teach you how to make yummy water. Now, it's not going to have any sugar. It's going to taste very different, but it's really fun to make, and it's really healthy to eat. Now, I just washed my hands and dried them. Remember, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, 2 times before you're done washing your hands. But when you get all done, you're going to get a pitcher of water, and then you're going to cut up some fruit. And I cut up some limes. Aren't they pretty? And I've got some strawberries I'm going to cut up. And I've got some blueberries. I don't know if I'm going to do a mango or not. I think I'm going to use just the green and red and blue. Are you ready for this? You take it, and this is where it's fun. You get, and make sure your hands are clean. You take it and you go squeeze, and it puts all that yummy lemon or lime or whatever, squeeze into the water. Squeeze, squeeze. See? And the longer you leave it, the better. Now, I'm going to put more stuff in. I'm going to put some strawberries in. Cut them up into smaller pieces. I'm going to put some blue. I'm going to squeeze my blueberry. Squeeze. 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 And another strawberry. And this is going to be a yummy drink. Then you want to stir it a few times. And the longer you leave it, the more delicious it will get. But isn't that the prettiest drink you've ever had? And then, when you're all done, put it in the fridge. And you have to drink it within a day or it'll go icky. But it's yummy. I hope you like it. Are you getting kind of bored? don't know what to do, I have one other suggestion for you. Make yourself something to eat. We could eat the baby. Oh, no, that's gross. No, we don't want to eat babies. What could we eat? I know. We could make food necklaces. Have you ever made a food necklace? Candy necklaces you used to be able to buy. I don't know if you can buy them anymore. But we're going to make a Tutti Frutti necklace. So get a bowl of Tutti Fruttis or Circle cereals. It can be anything. You can use Cheerios, anything. But it has to have a hole in it. You see that hole? Okay. Then go ahead and get some yarn or some string and cut a piece, and you're going to make a necklace, and you can make it as big or as little as you want. I'm going to make mine about this big. And all you do is you're going to put the string through the cereal. Now, when you get the first one done, you have to have mom or dad help you make a knot, because otherwise they'll just fall off again. So see, I just made a little knot, so now it won't go through. And then you just string them. You can sit at the kitchen table while someone's cooking supper. You can do them in your bed. Better not do them in your bedroom. You might make a mess. And some of them, the holes aren't quite big enough. So you have to lick it, make it kind of pokey, and then it'll go through. Now this one, yeah, I don't know if it'll work or not. We'll put that one through. Oh, that one didn't work. So you know what you do with that? You just have to eat it. Okay. So I am going to make a snack necklace. And then if I get hungry, I'll be able to eat. See, I've already got it started. Now imagine making a big necklace. You could make one for your parents. You could make one for your grandma or nana. You could make one for a little brother or sister who can eat it. But when you get all done, you'll have a necklace. And then when you get bored, you can go like this. And you can eat the necklace. I'll talk to you later.